guys, I am Brianna Holbrook here at Russ Darrow, Wauwatosa, and sales. Just want to chat with you guys and let you know we had a fun 2022. Now we're going to start a new journey. In 2022, our top sellers were the Sorrentos and Tellurides. So much room, so much remodel, so many safety conveyances that I was able to teach new families. They were so happy, especially the Kia owners that was already owners for 10 plus years. In 2023, we're going to have a very long journey, and it's going to be so fun because Kia's coming out with so many vehicles. 2027, Kia's trying to make everyone electric. I would say start with hybrids because you get that feeling, which hybrids is a regenerative braking system. But you still have that flow and electric feel for electric vehicles. Now here, if you can see, our Neros have a new remodel. I think our new vehicles that's going to be the top end for 2023 is the Neros, EV6, and our EV9s. Just because they save so much gas, not even gas, electric, excuse me. So it's going to take a while to adjust to these things, but it's going to be so much fun. Come and see us.